Hello, my old school soul food family. Hey, today I'm doing something a little different here. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I do a quick fish taco. A lot of this stuff I use is not homemade, but sometimes when I want fish tacos, which I eat a lot, I think they're awesome. They eat. If you want to know something to eat really quick, I'm gonna show you a quick way to make some old school fish tacos. A couple of things that I use for my breading. I'm gonna put these items down in the description of the video so y'all will know. I got some golden dip tempura batter and the Louisiana fish fry, crispy fish fry. I mix half and half each of that, of course, in my little breading bag here. And I'm gonna heat my oil up. And then I'm gonna go to the next thing. What it is, I got my fish. I've been using catfish. You can use any fish you want, but I catch a lot of catfish at the lake. And I cut it in strips. I cut them in strips, put them in my bag here, take them up here, make sure they're good and coated. That's the key, make sure they're really coated good. Make sure your oil is really hot when you put this in there. There you go, because you want a nice crispy fish for your tacos. I could do this in the fryer too, but I'm doing it in the skillet because everybody don't have a deep fryer. So make sure you don't overcrowd the skillet. Alrighty. Now, while that's frying, what we're gonna do here, let me get a plate here and put a towel on it so it can drain when it come on. Okay. Now the next thing I'm gonna do, I got two items here. I got Louisiana remoulade sauce and Louisiana fish taco sauce. I get this at the meat market, but you can get them in the supermarkets. They have this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna post some remoulade. What I do, I buy, the coleslaw in the produce section. The coleslaw cabbage mix, I get that, and I pour the remoulade on that. The remoulade on that. So I'm gonna mix it up. Mix that up in there. So we're gonna give this cabbage a good flavor here. Bit more. Alrighty. Okay. We'll put that aside. Now I got diced tomatoes here. I got some diced tomatoes here. And I got some fish taco I'm gonna put on top. Like I say, this is very simple, very simple recipe here. Okay, let me turn my fish over. Like I said, you want to make sure it's really crispy, the fish. All right. Okay, see how easy it is? I got my slaw for my fish. I got tomatoes already diced up. Now what I'm gonna do, I got my flat top heating up over here, the flat grill. I'm gonna go and heat up my tortillas. I'll probably make 4 tacos here. Very simple, y'all. I love fish tacos. Love them. Okay, I got my here for my fish when it come off. Like I say, these items, like I say, you never see me usually buying store-bought stuff, but this here, this remoulade and this fish sauce made by Louisiana Foods is an awesome, very good product. Okay. Take my tortillas off. Tortillas heat up here, a couple of more tortillas on here. And you can use corn. I just love flour tortillas. I love flour. I'm not a corn tortilla fan. So you can use whatever you like. I'm going to show you how to build these in just a second here. That one definitely ready. Of course, you know fish don't take long to cook at all. Tortillas here, I'm going to put these up in the microwave and keep them, try to keep them warm now. I got 2 more I got on here. Put these up in there with the other one, keep them warm. See how easy this meal is coming together? Take that off. While those cooking, I'm going to put the rest of my catfish in here. Get it cooking off. Take these out of here. Let's see, I love catfish. It definitely does not take long to cook. Put the rest of the fish in. And that's it. Okay, we're going to let this cook and I'll be right back and we're going to show you how to simmer it. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, rest of my fish is crispy here. See how golden brown it is? And y'all notice I didn't season my fish because the batter, this batter mix has seasoning in it already. So I didn't have to even season. That shows you how easy it is. Okay, now we're going to assemble this right quick. Very easy, y'all. Get my tortillas here. Still warm. Okay. What I do, I just lay them out like this. And what I do, I put my slaw first. See how that goes? Oh my God, this is so good, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Whenever I do parties at my house, this is always a go-getter right here, y'all. Okay. I'm put my fish on here. A couple of them on there, y'all. Like that. Now put my tomatoes on top of there. You can make this your own. You can put cheese. I don't put cheese on mine. Not on this one anyway. Then I put the taco sauce on there. This taco sauce. My plate here. That's all she wrote here, y'all. That's all she wrote here, y'all. All on this plate here. There we go. Got one more here to put on there. That's all she wrote right there. Old school. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit here for just a second. Cause it's so hot to eat with that catfish just come out the oil. And I'll be right back and we'll try these out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, let's try this thing out. It's a big taco in it. This thing is so good. I'm telling you. That good freshness of the slaw, with the remoulade in there. You have 2 sauces. You got the remoulade, and you got the taco slaw, fish taco sauce. Then the fish is well seasoned. You can't go wrong, y'all. Try this quick recipe. See how quick I made it? Less than 10 minutes. Made 4 tacos. You can make as many as you want. I have enough to make 2 more. I can eat all 4 of these. Let me quit eating here. Close the video while I can finish eating. But anyway, try this recipe out, y'all. Nice quick recipe I wanted to share with y'all. So anyway, follow my other social media accounts. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitch TV, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.